Thank you for installing DataGroomr Verify. In this quick video, we'll show you how to add the Verify Lightning component to your Salesforce pages and customize the fields it displays using field sets. Let's get started. To add DataGroomr's Verify Lightning component to your page layout, navigate to Salesforce Settings icon, then select Edit Page. This will take you to the Lightning Page Builder. On the left side panel, scroll down to DataGroomr Verify component, click and drag to desired screen location. Then press Save and navigate back to Record Page. Here you can see we have successfully added DataGroomr Verify component to our Lightning record page. Stay tuned and learn how to apply field sets of your choice to Verify component. To customize fields displayed within Record Lightning component, navigate to Settings icon and click Setup. Continue to Object Manager. Select the object intended for Verify component edit. Navigate to Field Sets and hit New in the upper right. On the next screen, enter field set label, field set name, and provide a brief description for teams that may use this field set so it can be easily referenceable. Hit Save. Then drag and drop fields that you would like to be shown in the Verify component. You can set the order in which you would like the fields displayed. Once you have confirmed selected fields, an order of display, hit Save button. Navigate back to the record page intended for modification. Click Settings in upper right. Click Edit Page. Select DataGroomr Verify component and select a desired field set in the Display Fields field. Hit Save button. Navigate back to Record Page. Your selected fields are now displayed within Verify component.